Congratulations! You made a very, very smart choice in joining this course because honestly, as I said in the promo video, the hardest part about making money online is actually taking action. And you jumping into this course shows a high level of commitment, which I highly respect. And, since you're giving me your time and your commitment and also your hopes, I want to serve you the best I can, and I won't let you down. And at any point in time you feel like, I confused you or you need help in any way, please post that in the Q&A section and also in the private Facebook group, which I'm going to explain how to get access to that, because I want you to get results. I want you to have a system and finally have a resource that, unclutters everything that might be confusing to you. And now the only thing left is to jump to the whiteboard and let's get started with the theory of how this whole system is set up. And it's really important to know on paper what we're going to do in order to implement it properly in practice, when we're going to jump to the computer. So welcome once again. I'm very excited for you to be here, and thank you very much for trusting me and giving me the opportunity to help you out with this. So let's get this journey started and jump on the whiteboard.